So, on a day like today, we're probably at about 28 degrees. I have to let the dog go outside. Little pug puppy. So I fire up the heater. I sit here and wait. I'm pretty warm underneath here. The key is how much wind is there. If there's no wind, it gets really hot. Right now I'm standing here pretty darn warm. Me and Pup Dog are warm. So we're putting together this patio heater, and so far it's not that difficult. So we start with the base, and of course the instructions. Step 1, you put these 3 bars on, not too bad. Bolt, bolt, bolt. Then 2, 2, 2, you put this top on, then you slide this piece on. Not too bad so far. Once that part's done, you just slide this slides up and down. Then you put these screws. They're kind of like they call them pins. Then they look like this. They're gonna hold the very top on. This stuff is kind of flimsy. It's like a cake tin or something. That's gonna go on top. Then we'll thumb screw it down. Then it goes on there. These came screwed in already. Probably have to take them out and then put this on, then put them back in like this. You know, they give you this tool, but I use this tool. See the link in the description. You guys need tools if you don't have them. The tools they give you are ridiculous. That's the only tool you get. And so I put these wheels on, they're the final piece, and I put a boot in here to kind of hold that up while I did that. It is about 30 degrees. But, oh my God, it's so warm right here. It is really warm. Almost hot. I'd say it's like hot right here. It feels good. So I'd say the heat it's about right here. Kind of dissipates. It's out to here. You can feel heat here. Here. Warmer, warmer, warmer. Really hot right here. It's on high right now too. I don't think it has only been on for about a minute. Let's take a look. Way cold out here. I'm in shorts and short sleeve shirt. But I'd be pretty happy if I was. Ooh, it's really warm right here. Really warm. Ouch. Actually, if you put your hand here, I'm like right here. Pretty hot. Kind of burning my hand right now. Right there, I'm burning my hand. So I don't want to sit right about here. It matters if there's wind or not. It really does.